Hi friends, I'm Patrina, and today we are going to learn how to play a G major chord in 3 different ways. Now don't worry, we'll make it fun by adding a beat to it while we practice. Now first, here is what the chord sounds like in all 3 positions. We have a root position using G, B, D. First inversion using B, D, G. Second inversion using D, G, B. Here are the 3 positions to the G major chord. Alright friends, this is a G major chord. Now major chord sounds happy and bright, while minor chords have a softer, more mellow vibe. Now this chord has 3 notes, G, B, and D. If you want to learn the theory behind major and minor chords, check out my piano chords video. I'll link the link below. We're going to play this chord in 3 positions. Now first, we have the root position. Next, we have the first inversion. And lastly, we have the second inversion. These different arrangements of the same chord are called inversions. Inversions are important because they help your chord changes sound smoother, they make your playing more flexible, and most importantly, they let you connect the chords in different ways across the keyboard. So let's dive straight into the 3 positions of playing G chord. First up is the root position, and here is how it looks. I am using my finger 1, 3, and 5 for the root position. Now you're going to try and play along with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, your turn. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. Next is the first inversion. The notes are the same, G, B, D, just rearrange. We are going to have B as the lowest sounding note, followed by the D, and then a G. I am using my fingers 1, 2, and 5. Now you're going to try and play along with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, your turn. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. Finally, the second inversion. The notes still the same, just rearrange. Now here is how it looks. We have the D as the lowest sounding note, followed by the G, and then a B. I am using my fingers 1, 3, and 5. Now you're going to try and play along with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, your turn. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. Great! Now let's put all 3 positions together from the root to first inversion and second inversion. Now you're gonna play along with me to the beat, switching smoothly between each position using your left hand and right hand. Practicing inversions is very important because it trains your fingers to move smoothly and your ears to hear the chord in different shapes. And that is what makes your playing sound more professional. We're going to try with tempo 60 BPM. Each chord we're going to play 3 times before going to the next position. Are you ready? Let's go! 5, 6, root position on G. Change to first inversion. Change to second inversion. Back to root position now. First inversion, let's go. Second inversion, and re-root position. Well done! Well done! Let's try it at tempo 80 BPM right now. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go! 5, 6, root position on G. First inversion. Change to second inversion. Change to root position. First inversion, second inversion, root position. Well done! Well done! Let's try at tempo 120, 120 BPM right now. Are you ready? Let's go! 5, 6, root position on G. First inversion, second inversion, root position, first inversion, second inversion, root position. Well done! Awesome job! Now you can play this chord in all 3 positions. Now you're gonna try to add these positions to your song, and you will be able to notice how much smoother your chord changes become. So for more chord formulas and theory from diagrams, now check out my piano chords video link below. Keep practicing, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.